There is beauty in aesthetics. Aesthetics. There is beauty in aesthetics, for sure. I became aware of the value of aesthetics not very long ago, like within the last 5 years. Before that, I'm just a very functional person. Everything's very functional. But became aware of aesthetics, then I was like, oh, I've been so judgmental. And there is a value in aesthetics. Okay, but then there's value in asceticism. Ascetics. It's the other way. Aesthetics is like beauty and like creating beauty and stuff. Things look pleasing to the eye. Ascetics or asceticism is where you're like renouncing like worldly pleasures, right? Usually for a reason, like until the last one of these people in the city gets a house, like I will go without, you know. Ascetics have been living that way for like forever. It's kind of a philosophy. It's a philosophy. It's like a school of philosophical thought. Asceticism. A lot of the early, I believe, like the Catholic saints were ascetics. Am I saying that right? Ascetics. I'm thinking about this because of that Greek Orthodox, not sermon, service I listened to was talked a bit about that, and I was like, oh yeah, you know, I feel like the balance here is when you're looking out for your neighbor's needs, like you don't worry about your aesthetics until your neighbors are also worrying about their aesthetics, and until everyone has their needs met, maybe we ought to be more like ascetics. We should be more focused on asceticism instead of ascetics. I've said it so many times now. Asceticism. Asceticism instead of asceticism. Ascetics versus ascetics. An ascetic lifestyle. Ascetic lifestyle. Not ascetic. Ascetic. I might be saying the whole thing wrong. Maybe that's messing it up. No, I don't remember. Ascetic? No. Ascetic. Yeah. Anyway, maybe that's the whole thing. You need to be an ascetic before you focus on the aesthetics. The aesthetics are great, but when people are starving, they just kind of look abominable, you know?